Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Tobacco production was introduced to Mainung Town in 1939. Many people built small attics on their homes to facilitate the tobacco roasting process. At one point, there were close to 2,000 of these smokehouses in Mainung. Now, all but vanished, a few have been preserved as tourist sites, where visitors can learn all about Mainung's smoky past.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係念習書 Joseph Lin. And recently, I've been traveling around Taiwan a lot more. 其實最近有去這個高雄美濃那邊哦。然後呢，有看到，但我沒有進去，就是有一個樓啊，它叫做煙樓。然後呢，我就覺得說，這是只給抽煙的人進去的嗎？為什麼會有煙樓這樣的東西出現呢？
其實以前在美濃平原那邊有種煙葉。
Oh, is that right? 哦，所以那邊的煙葉是非常當時啦，蓬勃發展的就對了。
對啊。
Okay, I was asking Leo because recently I went down to Kaohsiung and to this township known as Mainong, very popular tourist destination, and they have something there called smoke houses or tobacco houses. And I was thinking, well, is this only for smokers? What is the purpose of this tobacco house? And Leo just explained to me, back in the heydays, tobacco business was booming in that area. And so they actually have these smoke houses. 所以这当时真的是在制造烟的一个楼就对了。
对对对，当时他们种的那个烟叶啊，采收之后呢，他们就会把它挂在那个竹竿上啊，然后放那个烟楼里面，底下就会有加热，加热之后呢，把那个烟叶把它烤干，那水汽都会顺着那个烟楼，然后从上面的天窗那边排出去，是这样子的。现在的这个美浓地区基本上已经没有在生产这个烟叶，但是呢，如果你还是想要了解一下的话，你可以去当地的美浓烟楼解说馆来去看一看。
Got it. Okay. So this is back in the days when it was in operation, and usually when you see these smokehouses, they're very tall, and that's because they actually dry and smoke the tobacco on the bottom floor and then let that smoke evaporate up onto the sort of like a chimney structure, if you will, so that it can evaporate into the skies. But that is no longer in operation, and now it's more like a museum.
对对。
All right, so you can learn more about this culture. But I do want to say we do not recommend smoking. Of course, smoking is hazardous to your health. 我们还是要呼吁大家，抽烟是有害健康的。
对对。
倒是可以去看这个美浓烟楼，怎么说呢？
美濃煙樓。
And there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.